Hey guys! I know it's been a while since I've done my last video, but here we go. In this video, we're gonna draw Diancie from Pokemon the movie, Diancie and the Cocoon of Destruction. So, anyways, Diancie is known as the Jewel Pokemon, and she's a rock and fairy type. And trust me, she's one of the strongest mythical Pokemon. Let's get started. There we go. Be sure to draw the diamonds here on his head. There we go. Now we just draw the heart diamond on her chest. There we go. Now we just draw this piece here. Hey guys, do you think Diancie urinates glitter? That'd be a funny sight. I mean, if it is possible that she would do that. What do you guys think? I don't know. Please leave a comment below on that. Now we just draw the diamond here. There we go. Alexa, play Beyond the Limit.
Beyond the Limit from Dragon Ball Super by the Marcus Hedges Trend Orchestra on Amazon
There we
Music.
go. Anyways, known facts about Diancie. She's a, well, before I tell you, we have to draw this giant rock beneath her skirts thing. I don't know if it is a skirt or not. I still think she urinates glitter. I'm not sure. Anyway, maybe I'll find out soon. Anyways, Diancie, she's a Pokemon XY GameStop exclusive Pokemon. And well, she's the only Kalos region Pokemon that can Mega Evolve. And well, etc. There we go. That's how you draw That's how you draw Diancie. Pretty awesome, huh? So anyways, what do you think is your favorite Pokemon? Please leave a comment below. Did you know that Diancie's Megastone is called Diancite? Yeah, it's true. Diancite is actually a real element. Truth be told, I never expected it to be possible to have a gemstone named after your own Pokemon's name. But I'm glad I finally got to understand that. According to myth, when Arbink suddenly transforms into Diancie, it's a dazzling appearance in its most beautiful sight in existence. It has the power to compress carbon from the atmosphere, forming diamonds between its hands. Alexa, play Pokemon XY theme.
Pokemon theme, version Zai, by Pokemon, Ben Dixon and the Sad Truth and Ed Goldfarb on Amazon Music.
Anyways, that's how you draw Diancie. What's your favorite mythical Pokemon? Please leave a like and rock and subscribe and leave a comment below. And please tell me which character you guys want me to draw next, because I'm always drawing up new characters and I'm never gonna stop. Anyways, I'll Stegosaurus, see you later. Alright, Diancie, let's fight!